Hello everyone, this is Techno Shan and I welcome you to Oveall Techno Fast. Today in this tutorial we are going to make a sequence from selected clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without waste time, let's start. Hey guys, now the first thing is I'm going to open the Adobe Premiere Pro in my PC. Just I'm searching for Adobe. So I have Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. I'm going to open it. It will take some time to open. Now the first thing is I'm going to create a new project. Now just I'm writing the name, how to write one. So don't let these settings as. Now this is what the sequence settings, but I don't know right now that what are the dimensions of clips already I have. So I just now cancel this. The reason is that I will make a sequence by just checking the videos which I have from them, which I have to from which I'm going to make a sequence. So this is the timeline. This is the page of this is the front view of Adobe Premiere Pro. I just click on. Now I am importing my videos. I just double click on this. I have those videos on desktop. This is the folder where I have some video footages. I select all. Now these files are here. Now remember guys, now from these videos I'm going to make a sequence. This is the list view of these videos. Just I'm clicking here. This is the icon view. You can change from here. No, so remember you are going to view these footages as list view, because the reason is that from here it will be easy for us to make a sequence. You can here see that frame rate, because all these footages these videos are from different cameras. So if we will make a video from these, then the sequence would be worse, and ultimately the video will be not good. So now see here, these all videos have different FPS. So this means that some videos are 25 FPS, this is 15. So these are different, and just let's check the dimension. So here is the video info. You can see that all these 4 videos are 1280 720p, but this video intro is somehow a full HD video. Now just if we will make a sequence from these, all the videos are not on the same length or dimension. Now just one thing I'm going to do is I am just changing the dimensions of this video in Adobe Media Encoder. Just I minimize it, and now I open Adobe Media Encoder. So I'm using the CS6 version, no problem, whatever version you are using. So just I'm double clicking. Now where was the video? In desktop, and here is this video. This intro video has somehow different dimensions from the others, so I am just changing its dimensions. So here is the video. Just click on here, HD 720p. So yeah, that is fine. You are going to change its settings to 720p. So click here the down arrow. Now here is what we are going to select. HD 180, no 180 I don't need, I need HD 720 and 25p. This is what I need. Now we are going to convert this video into 720p. Actually the video was 120 no 1020 1020p 120. It was full HD, so I am going to convert this. It will take some time, a little bit time. Yeah, this is done. Now I'm minimizing this and I open my Premiere Pro. This was the video which has different video dimensions. I click now I'm going to clear this video and I will add the previous one. I just click on here and I do. Now I'm going to insert intro 1 because this has the same dimensions as. So look here guys, all the videos have the same dimension, that is 1280 and 720. Now we can make a sequence from these videos. Guys, you should not be confused by looking the frame rate. We can create a sequence of 25 fps. That would be easy and it all will be merged in the 25 frames. So that is not very difficult. Now you can see that we can't drop any video here. The reason is there is no any sequence. Now I'm going to make a new sequence. Click on here, click on this button, new in, click on this button, new item. We are going to make a sequence and you are just select sequence preset, go to settings because we are going to make a new sequence, means a custom sequence because we have different videos. Click on custom and the frame rate, the time base, it means frame rate. We are going to make 25 frames because that only one video has 25 and rest of the videos are 15 and 18, so we can make a 25. And here the videos frame size is the video size was 1280. Here we can see that the 1280 and 720. This is the sequence size. And now we are going to, this is square pixel, lower field no pairs, and this is display format 25. Let it. Now you can see that this is the video preview file format. This is 1280 by 720. This is good. You can make change the sequence name, but it is fine sequence too. Just I click on OK. So here you can see guys, the sequence tool is here. We can compare the values of the sequence with our old videos. That is, you can see that our sequence has 25 fps and the intro video is 25 fps and rest are different. So it doesn't matter, I already have told you. The main thing is our video dimensions should be same. So here you can see that all the videos are 1280 across 720 and our sequence, this is sequence, this also is 1280 multiplied by 720. It means this is same. If now we will drag the videos in the timeline and we will create a video that sounds good, that will be pretty good a video. So this is what we do before. If you have different clips, you can make a sequence just by checking the video info and make the sequence similar to your video. If there is a video with different dimensions, like one is 720p, one is and the other is 1080p, then convert the video through Adobe Media Encoder. That is not very difficult. It's just a 1 minute. It would be a 1 minute task. Now I'm going to make a video from these sequence, and I'll show you. This is the first video. Double click on this so it will appear here. Now I'm changing the view. This is the what you can just preview your video from here by dragging the mouse. Double click on it. This is the video. I can drag and drop this video here because previously it was not possible. It was not possible because the sequence, because there was no sequence. Now this is here. I can play this. Hello guys, this is Techno Shan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Oveall. So you can see that this is the first video and this is the second. And I can directly bring this video here and for here. This is second video, and where is the third? This is the third video which I am bringing to timeline. This is fourth video I am bringing to timeline, and I think this is enough. So this is now what this is a new sequence of different videos. Where is the 4? This is intro. I just click all and I'm moving them here, and I'm bringing the intro here. Now I'm bringing this whole Hello guys, this is Techno Shan, and yeah, that sounds pretty. Now I'm just exporting. I'm exporting it. Click on file, and here is what export media, and now just click on the format. That is H264 is the best MP4 format, and to select this as I'm going to make a video of 720p. So here is HD 720p and 25 frames. Already I have selected, you people know, and here I just click on use maximum render quality because our video will be of a good quality and that looks sound good. And output name, you can change output name in the folder. I just wanna save to how to write Urdu test. So I just click save. Now I'm going to export this. Oh guys, just wait for a while until this video, this estimated time, this is what finished. Guys, the video has been created. Now I'm going to play this in VLC player. Just checking it. Hello guys, this is Techno Shan and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Oveall. So guys, you can see here that the video has been created. These all videos were of different dimensions. I just changed their dimensions and made a new sequence, and now this is the final video and it looks pretty good. So this was all. If you like the video and if you like my part, then please like and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching.